Hi guys, uh, this is my second live session. The first live session I did was just to check that how the live is working, and in this second live session, I actually wanted to create and edit a video about how what is created a video and what should I say? Wanted to record a video and edit and upload another like detailed video on this, but I thought that that would be too much work. Why not just do a live session and then say it? So in this live session, it's also my second live session, and I don't know how it works. So yeah, if in 30 minutes we'll be able to do it, then it's fine. If not, we'll do it later. So in this video, we are trying to. I am trying to do. I will try to clean my laptop actually. So what is happening actually that I keep my laptop MacBook on all the time, and it creates a lot of cache files and also so many duplicate files. Why? Because I edit my videos through this software app called VN editor, and it create multiple cache files and also multiple duplicate files. Initially I used to like find on my laptop and used to take so much time that where the duplicate files have actually saved and all. And then I installed a software called Daisy Disk Analyzer just to check that, and it used to analyze and all. And I was like, since I'm learning Python, why should I not do it? Obviously Python, I'm like not very experienced in Python, more into data analysis part. But yeah, with the help of Claude, obviously, I try to create a disk analyzer Python script. So we'll run that Python script here, and then see with the help of Claude only, we'll try to understand that in which um, uh, where my disk or all these things are happening. Because so before starting the video, I closed all the applications, and my RAM memory, my memory was showing that 6 GB available, but right now it's, let me check, it says 18 GB available. So still good, but 18 GB is like still bad. So yeah, let's share the screen because I already have it. Window. Wait, what? I cannot share my. Let's do it entire screen. Oh. I'll have to check in another device if. Mm, YouTube. Let's see. Yeah, I can actually see myself. Yeah, I can actually see myself. Yeah, I can actually see myself. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the specific thing. So this is the whole disk analyzer that I had created, trying to understand that what actually which type of file actually taking my space, and I got to know that majority of the space is actually taken by all the VN editor cache files and duplicate files. So so this analyzer is specifically focused towards identifying those files where they are located, and how, if there are any duplicate files and all. And then first we'll locate. Obviously we can go to settings and check that which section or which folder type is taking too much space, but that is all a very broad, on a very broad picture. But when I used to dive deeper into all the sections and try to understand that where the file is taking uh, which file is taking too much space, and that used to take a lot of time. Here I can just run this and identify, mostly focused towards for videos. So these are the video extensions that we will be working on. I have added all those video extension, but mostly my video I keep it in .mp4 or .mov, and I wanted to share with other people also. That's why I have kept windows and systems also. So these are the sections, or like these are the folders I'll be skipping, because these are the specific or like important files that I usually store here. um, File size threshold minimum 100 MB, and these are the helpers. Helpers actually, that means that when this file, this analyzer like script will run, it does not runs in a most readable format the way we see that. So it will run all the files and then convert all the readable format into convert all the files into a readable format, which is like bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, MB, GB or so. And if something is less than, and it will do it accordingly 1024 bytes that we generally do it. We do not do it like this is how it's done. And then this helper actually checks the duplicate files. So it reads only first and the last chunk of the file size only till 8192. I don't know. So when I was working on this, I conceptually thought that when if the script is actually trying to read each and every detail, it will take a lot of time, and I wanted to see the solution, check the solution for that. So I talked to the Claude, and it specifically gave the details that only read the first and last, and or in the first and last chunks all the files are actually same. That means it's a duplicate file. So it's only read 81925. Claude gave me, I have no idea why 8192. And then these are skipping paths. I don't know, supported by Claude. And these are the this is how the scanning will be done and prints will be happening in the terminal area. I'm not. These are the paths where everything scanning will be done. I made this very long time ago, so um, I don't remember it actually. If you want to have a detailed discussion on this, or if you want this script, I can share it with you. Just drop in comments. And this will print top folders, which folders have the it is taking majority of the size of the disk. And then this will post duplicate large videos and their locations, where I can just open directly from here. And then this will post duplicate files. All these posts with duplicate files in each specific folder. And this is specifically for my VN editor app, because I was working on that only. And this is like finally the summary. The Claude helped me to work on it. So let's run this. Let's run everything. It will take a little time. Till then, I don't know what to discuss. This is the first video that I'm working on. Since like last 2 3 days, my Instagram is flooded with the protest that is happening in India, and it should be. It's so important, and especially after 20th July, after like second or third day, Bihar entered in the in the chat, and oh my god, I don't know how to. Uh, they are taking barricades. So one person came with the chainsaw. Oops. Okay. One person came with the chainsaw, and they're dancing in the water cannon. They're asking policemen to um, um, start some tear gases and all. Oh, this worked. So scanned 416,000 on some files. This is like the document or like the system files that I had skipped. So majority of the section is taking the download sections, because I keep them mostly there. Second is library, YouTube. I knew that this will come 14 MB, 14 GB, and then YouTube raw videos. These two are the same things actually. I have checked already. Study docs, I cannot delete this because this has very important my like study documents and all. And then semester 2 study documents also, I cannot delete this. Then library application support, containers, application support, Google cache files 3 GB, documents, Notion files taking 2.9 GB. I'll delete the location. And if we go on 2.1 GB VN, movies, let's open movies, command C. VN. Okay, yeah, this is the temporary file. I'll just delete this. Next one. और तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. TV. Let's see what's more we have. Movies, Hertie School Semester 1, VS Code. Yes, it's a current which I am running. And then we have large video files. Let's check this one. Does not exist. Okay, did we delete the same thing right now? Let me check the recycle bin. Yeah. And then second is this. It does not exist. I could not copy this. Oh no, not again. कॉपी क्यों नहीं हो रहा सही से? Look, yeah, it opened, but look here, it wait, it's actually opening the video, but I don't want the video, but I want the location. So here the location. This is how the duplicate files. And if I empty it right now, I got 4 GB extra. This is how we will delete more things. And then this is the raw videos that I'll be working on. That this is DJI video. I cannot delete that. This is important. What is this? 454 MB. I don't want to open it right now. I'll just go to the videos. Does not exist. Users. I don't know why it does not exist. Okay, we'll check that later. Notion, I have to keep this. I'll have to keep this as well. Data analysis video. What is this? Data analysis downloads. Again, does not exist. Download data analysis. Let me check. Okay, I'll check that later. It will take too much time. And I have to finish the video in 8 minutes. And what is this? How to apply for Berlinovo student apart. This is my old video. Is it? It is still there. Open. Okay, we just deleted this. So many duplicate files, and then now duplicate files. 8 GB wasted. I don't even use codecs. It's so old. Do you trust the contract? No. Quit. Just delete it. Terminate. I'll just delete it as well. This as well. 6 minutes more because I have to sleep. Hi, this I cannot delete. And then download CML. Yes, I should delete this because it's actually duplicating. Open. Yeah, I should delete this completely because it's already there. And then what's the next? That's done. Library, VS Code, election framework. No, I cannot list this because I'm working on that. Training. Yeah, I have already worked on this. But again, it will take time. Let's ask Claude how I can directly delete it. I want to delete this. Give me terminal command. I knew that. This is there is a duplicate inside your email before to delete that as well. No, I want to keep one thing. It's deleted. Yeah. And then what do we more have? We have 4 minutes more. Where will be? Spotify. What is this Spotify doing here? I'll just delete it because I don't want it. No such directly. Wait. Again, I have to delete the Spotify as well. Scraping. All files that I don't want to delete because I'm working these things. So what's this? Majority of this is in downloads. Let's see. One thing. Let's ask Claude that how we can work on this. How we can expand this and check which file is taking more time, more space. Yeah, let's see. And this to go one level deeper into downloads. Then if you want to dig into a specific subfolder, for example, for YouTube, yeah, let's see, let's do this. 17 GB study docs. How can the YouTube data fest zip assignment bootcamp DMG? Delete this. Let's delete this because I have already installed this. Yep. DJI Instagram challenge that I took long back, but the views are skill work. Claude DMG. I never, whether it's working or not, I don't know. Later. Actually, the space has increased. So yeah, 100 media IMDb series book one. Yeah. No match found. Let's delete the old one. Yeah, space is actually increasing. Let's see. I want to go deeper in this. Share this output. First, let me check, and then we'll share this output with you. Semester 1, Semester 2, Python Bootcamp, Survey AI. 14 GB Semester 2, 3 GB. I can't delete this. I can't delete this. I can't. So major is YouTube, Datafest zip. Someday I might work on this. This I already deleted. Let's run this again. Let's see how much we are getting now. 17 GB, 15 GB, 3.2. Ah, we have to end. But let's see. Few minutes. I want to check the cache files too. I hope the cache spelling is correct because I don't know. And also check app specific cache. No, first we'll do this. Operation not permitted on the file. Oh, sorry, no. Let's share this. Let's see what it says. Rebuild or delete them again. Okay. कितना टाइम लेगा रे बाबा? I have to close this. हो गया? Let's see. Space though has reduced around 20 GB. That means something added At this point of time, I'm so done with coding. I'm just using Claude. VN editor is fine. Movie is fine. The culprit is download 41 GB. Yeah, I know culprit is download 41 GB because I have my raw videos there. So I cannot delete it. So is that it? That is the main thing. The quick share in is zip is gone, which we must have extracted it. The space makes sense now. It's easy. DGI, IMB, I cannot delete these. Archive zip. I don't know what is this. Okay. No. I have to keep it. I have to keep this archive. That's it, guys. That's it. We have already cleaned around 20 GB. So I don't know who will watch this. Stop sharing. I don't know who will watch this. Oh, I thought that it's over 30 because watching the time. But it's only 27 minutes. But yeah, I don't know who will watch this. But I have worked on this and I'm working with this file disk analyzer for quite some time. If someone wants to use this or like someone wants to build on this, because writing writing a um, general prompt on Claude will not work. Claude is Claude gives a very generic idea until unless your prompt is not very good. So when I was working with this, I initially started working on my own, and I had my own idea that what I wanted to work on. And with that idea, I went forward. I started my own coding, and then I started my own coding and started working on it. It was very basic, but it was very proud. I was very proud that I worked on it, and then I improved and made it better with Claude. So it's always should be your idea. I know it's for some coder or engineer, they were thinking how basic and how stupid is this. I don't care. Sorry. For me, it's important because um, I'm learning Python coding. Mm, I've just started learning like 3 4 months back, and I was studying machine learning, and we were working on Claude and all. Claude, not Python, Python and all. I'm so tired. So yeah, if someone wants this, comment or reach out to me on Instagram. I will share with you. If you find my email, you can also email me. You will find my Instagram on somewhere in the description. If you also like um, this content or want to support me as a student or something, because yeah, I wanted to grow up on YouTube, but it's very difficult to do edits and all those things. That's why I thought that I should go live, and I'm hoping that at least 2 3 lives I should do every week. Yeah, see you guys. Good night. How do we say good night in German? I know good evening, but good night. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. See you. Bye bye.